Yes.
And my main fields of expertise are anything related to computer science and artificial intelligence, meaning I have a very good basis for web development. The last project is basically all web development. I used HTTP, CSS, JavaScript to build up the entire tool that was presented in the International Paint Conference. So that was where the expertise is coming from. But generally speaking, I'm just a generalist in terms of what I do in computers, but my main focus is artificial intelligence and tool integration, specifically agentic AI and atomic intelligence. Atomic intelligence being something that I work with specifically with foundation at the moment. So that's where I am. As we go forward, I'm going to be building my own tools, my own data servers, and a lot of other things. So that's going to be quickly evolving. So I'm strict thin at the moment, but that's precisely why I'm trying to reach out to people, handle things ahead of time while I still have a little bit of to offer, since I am very excited to help whatever I can. And that's basically it. Again, the LinkedIn will be updated soon, probably even today. And as for the rest, up to you. I will definitely look forward to seeing how you organize the input structure, because if you want to turn this into an open source project, like a real one, you're going to need to create an official structure as to how people do Git commits, how they offer up their position, who reviews the work. There's a lot of things to do. And as a physician, I'm certain you have way less time than even I do. So the ability to micromanage an open source project requires you essentially to either hire someone as a volunteer, which is something that people do on the internet, or trust yourself to manage this correctly, which is I'm assuming a very weird and new field for you, because open source projects are very common in tech. I'm not sure how common they are in medicine. In fact, I'm pretty sure they don't even exist as open source projects in medicine. Do not exist, now that I think about it. None that I have heard of, at least. So yeah, that's basically it. I will make sure that Dr. Regina contacts you directly. There's also a few other people that may be interested. There is some retirees that are still active and worked with me on the last project, which is like Brian. Brian from he used to work in chronic pain division in the Montreal General. Krista Bench, a very strong nurse that was also working there. There was some other names that I can drop. I'm not sure if Yoram will be interested. He's still technically working there, but he's almost completely retired. There's definitely a lot of people in the Montreal General Hospital that I know are aware of our project, but are not aware of yours. So they will definitely join in whenever possible. In fact, Brian in particular would be a massive help to you, because he is more than willing to help out with things like administration, because he is essentially a very big medical clerk that has a lot of tech background. So he is incredibly helpful in that department. So I'll talk to him if possible.